Hello guys, welcome back to Carton Box, where we provide the tech content every day. Today's video is all about how to get into the tech sales and why it can be a great career move. We'll also cover what skills and qualifications you need, as well as some of the tips and tricks to make sure you land in your dream job in the industry. I'm very excited to share my knowledge on getting into the tech sales with all of you today. Tech sales has become an increasingly popular career path over the years, so if you're interested in joining this exciting field, keep watching. The first thing that will help you when applying for the tech sales jobs is that you need to have a good understanding of the technology. If you don't have any experience with the technology, then it can be helpful to take some online courses like Udemy or do some research online so that you can have a basic understanding on how things work. This will give the employees confidence they can understand the needs and can navigate the technical aspects of their products. Additionally, having a background in the customer service or the sales jobs can also be beneficial as it shows the employees that you know how to interact with the customers professionally and effectively. Now that we have gone over some of the necessary skills needed getting into the tech sales, let's talk about what makes it a great career choice. One of the biggest advantages of working in the tech sales is that it offers excellent job security because companies are always looking for the knowledgeable professional who can understand their products and services. Additionally, being able to work with the cutting edge technologies gives the employees a chance to stay up to date on the trends in the industry while earning a competitive salary at the same time. When applying for the jobs in the tech sales, it's important to make sure your resume stands out from other applicants by highlighting your relevant experience and technical skill set. It's also important to demonstrate your enthusiasm for learning on the new technologies by attending the webinars or taking classes related to their desired role. Finally, networking is the key when looking for the jobs in this field. Make sure to reach out to people like LinkedIn or Facebook who may be able to offer advice or helpful connections. Once you have secured an interview for the tech sales role, preparation is the key. Make sure you have thoroughly researched the company prior to your interview so that you can answer the questions confidently to the employer about their products and services. Also, be prepared with the questions of your own regarding potential growth opportunities within the company or any additional training they may offer employees once they hire. Overall, getting into the tech sales can be seem intimidating at the first, but with the hard work and dedication, it can give you an incredibly rewarding career path. With these tips, I hope I was able to provide some insight on how best you can prepare yourself when applying for the roles for the tech sales jobs. Now you can go out there and get started on making your dreams come true. Last but not least, while preparing for the interview, it is also important to practice your answers to the potential questions. Familiarize yourself with the common questions asked during each technical sales interviews, such as what experience do you have in sales and how do you deal with the rejection. Additionally, develop a few stories that demonstrate your success in the sales and the customer service so that you can usually recall them during the interview. Take the time to learn more about the job that you are applying and about the company. What type of customers do they serve? What brands of products do they carry? Knowing the answers to these questions can show the interviewer that you are actually interested in this job and you have taken some time to research this and you are truly invested in the position. When the interview is over, it's a great idea to follow up with a thank you note. This is a great way to show you how interested you are in the position and to reiterate your qualifications for the job. Additionally, take some time to review the job description and your answers to the questions asked during the interview and see if there is any areas where you can improve. This can help you to better prepare for future interviews and to be more successful in the future. More importantly, don't be afraid to ask for help when applying for the tech sales role. Seek out the advice from the people who have already experience in this field and those who have successfully made it in the industry. Reach out to the professionals who are currently working in the tech sales and ask for their advice. While it may take some hard work and dedication, with the right advice and preparation, you can make your dreams of a career in the tech sales a reality. If this video was helpful, please remember to like and subscribe so you can continue bringing more videos like this every day. See you next time. Until then, thank you.